is a short video to show you all how to create Desmos accounts. After we create the Desmos account, we are going to get started on the activity that Mr. Zaky has planned for you today. So I want you to start by opening up a new tab in Google Chrome. And we're going to go to desmos.com. Once you go to desmos.com, let's choose sign up. You're going to sign up with an email address. You can use whatever email address you choose, either personal or your DPS. I'm going to go with the DPS email. Type in your name and then a password. We're going to check these two boxes, and then you are going to create your account. Once you create the account, you'll see your name pop up in the upper right-hand corner. Mr. Zaky, you may want to pause the video right now and give students an opportunity to create their accounts. For the students in the chat, once you all have created your account, can you please drop a smiley face emoji in the chat so Mr. Zaky knows that your account has been created. Now that you've created your account, let's go ahead and get into the actual activity. In your browser, you're going to click on, or type in rather, student.desmos.com. And it's going to ask you for a code. Because this is 7th hour, you all are going to type in the following code: VDY3WD. So VDY3WD. This is your class code. You're going to join the class, and it's going to show up as CCA2, how can I work with my team to figure it out? And then you're going to start the assignment. At this point, you want to pause here and wait for directions from Mr. Zaky. If you have gotten to this screen, I need you to drop a fire emoji in the chat so Mr. Zaky knows that you've made it to this screen. Drop a fire emoji in the chat if you have made it to this screen. At this point, Mr. Zaky is going to give you directions on how to move forward into the activity.